I built this entire website using one master prompt. I find a component and paste it to ChatGPT with a master prompt. I rewrite the prompt perfectly for our site. In this video, I'll show you how to use this master prompt, how to refine components from the 21st.dev, and how to apply them using Antigravity. Let's go. Before adding any components from 21st.dev, add this master prompt and it will ask for the screenshot and the implementation plan you used for creating this website. So let's just screenshot the website, come over here and add that screenshot and the implementation plan used. So I have pasted the implementation plan in a txt file and also the screenshot, and it's gonna analyze everything, and after that it's gonna ask for the 21st.dev component prompt. First we're gonna change the hero section, right? So let's just go here in 21st.dev and go to components, and then go to something like, you can go to featured and find something there too, but for easy let's just scroll down, and here we can see the hero section. And here you can find all the components can be used in the hero section. So let's gonna select a random one. For that I'm gonna be selecting this one, and then copy the prompt and go to ChatGPT and paste that prompt here and just enter. Here ChatGPT writes the prompt you can add in Antigravity, then make that component to work in our hero section. So after done, just copy the prompt. I mean, you can either just drag and copy the whole prompt, or you can just come over here, let's say convert the prompt above to copy and paste format. Okay, and then enter. Gonna convert the whole prompt in a copy paste format like this. Now you can just copy it and paste in our Antigravity. So this is Antigravity, and here just paste that prompt here and then just enter, and it's ready guys. Let me show you. So this is the result we got, and we perfectly add that in our hero section. So let me just refresh it and show you how this works and everything. And this is the animation, and this is really wonderful. Our hero section is gone to a next level. Now let's play with it more. Like, let's find sections and add more components like that. Now let's add the text revealing feature in this section. Okay, it's perfect for that. Now let's come over here and then close that one. Find text components. This is a section we want. We're gonna use this magic text. Select that. It's sent to scroll. Okay, scroll. It's working. Now let's just copy this, paste in our ChatGPT. Let's add the magic text in this section. Let's screenshot it, then come over here. Okay, we have added that. That's the screenshot section of the website. Now use this code below, code from 21st.dev. Okay, and now all we need to do is just copy the prompt and paste to Antigravity. Copy, paste it, and enter. And just like that, we got our result. Let me just refresh it first. So our hero section is working really fine, and then we scroll down. There is text revealing section. We gonna show the text in while we scroll. So this makes our website into next level. Now let's add more sections. So here when we scroll down here, these are some cards. We can make something out of it. Like, we can just come over to 21st.dev and just close it, and then we can just scroll down and find cards. So cards must be somewhere. Yeah, cards. So this is the cards. So if you have 79 components here, you can make use of that. And the master prompt is a really mastered what it do. I have created a Notion template where you can find this whole prompt, and the prompt I have used in this Notion template too, and make use of that. Now let's come over here and let's do something with the card. So here let's just now let's find a card that really gonna look fine in our website. So let me just scroll down. How about we add this one? Let's just copy this prompt. Let's go to ChatGPT. First add the screenshot. Let's paste that prompt, and this is the prompt, and then just enter. So this is the whole prompt. After it finished, just copy the prompt and add to your Antigravity. Paste that prompt here and then just enter. So in here we have only one image because we have added images in this section, like we have the cards. So instead of we have some group of images, then it should be working really fine. So when you text out, remember to add the images in that section rather than cards. So after that's done, here we have the footer section, and let's find a component really looking good for the footer. Rather than scroll, just we can just type it here, footer. Okay, not a number of footer here, just probably one footer, I guess. So that's a limit. You can just add that. Okay, let's just add that. I want to show you how to add that too. So that let's finish this video if you can for possible. But oh god, just don't add this. The footer is kinda not that great. This footer is way better than this one. Okay, now we got ourselves a wonderful front end with scrolling animation and a wonderful hero section, and it's really looking fine, and it's done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.